Welcome to Oscar Training for Recommenders. I will be your online guide, walking you through how to upload a pre-written letter in Oscar. If you have pending recommendation requests, you will see them on your homepage. To respond, click the View All link, or on the left navigation, select the Recommendations drop-down and click Pending Requests. Oscar will display your Fill Recommendation Request page. To view only your active pending requests, select the Has Pending Recommendations filter. Click Yes and click Apply. Next, click Submit Recommendation below the applicant's name you wish to select. Oscar will open the 3-step process fulfilling the request. In Step 1, Fill Recommendation, select the judge or staff attorney office you wish to send your recommendation letter to. Now, in the recommendation type selection, click Select File to upload a PDF or Word document. Once you have uploaded your letter, you'll be able to use it again by selecting it from the Choose a Recent File dropdown. I will select the Upload File option to use a pre-written letter saved on my computer. The Upload New Recommendation window appears. You will need to enter a name for your letter so that Oscar can save the letter for future use. The template type is pre-selected. Next, click Browse to locate and select a PDF or Word document, and then click Open. When the progress bar reaches 100% complete, click Upload. These letters will be stored in Oscar under Documents in the left navigation. Select Next to review to proceed to the next step. Oscar opens to Step 2, Review Recommendation. Here you can click the PDF link under Uploaded File to see how the letter will look to a judge or a staff attorney office. If needed, click the pencil icon to upload a different file. Next, choose whether to allow the letter to attach automatically to additional applications from the applicant. So, if the applicant creates more applications and includes you as the recommender, Oscar will automatically add the letter you just created to those applications. You can select to have the letter of recommendation automatically append until a specific date for up to 12 months from the date of submission. The date can be changed later. Select Submit Recommendation once ready. Oscar will indicate that the letter has been successfully submitted, and the applicant will receive an indication that you have completed their letter of recommendation request. We hope this video has helped to provide a better understanding of how to upload a pre-written letter in Oscar as a PDF or Word document. For more information, please visit the Oscar training page for more videos and resources. If you need additional assistance, please feel free to contact us by email or phone, as provided at the end of this video.